Hi, let me show you how you can connect your Huawei Watch Fit 4 with your Android smartphone. So first you have to download the Huawei Health app, and from here go to devices and click add device. Now the best way to do it is just by scanning the QR code. So let's click scan, and also on the Huawei Watch Fit 4 click use QR code. So take your smartphone and scan it by using your camera. And now just wait a couple of seconds and you have to allow it on your Huawei Watch Fit 4. So yes, let's allow it, and also on the phone just click pair. And now you just have to you can access the contacts or something like that. Okay, yeah, just accept this and click next, and as you can see, pairing is successful. So basically I think that's all. You can install updates and everything but basically it's connected. So that's all what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.